Stand by, stand by. Race starts 3:30. Stand by.
3
Overload. 3 power long, 30 overload. 3 power longs, 30 overload. Race start. Stand by. Timing. Are you ready? Attention. Go. Timing na. Overload. Now, timing. 2, 4, 6, 8, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, nice one! 4, 6, 8, easy. Ang ganda. Bumilis kayo ng second.
Sabi, load eh.
Para maka-timing kayo, no? To execute that properly, angat yung lifting arm.
Nasilip ko ito, bumilis eh.
Gumanda, dadagdagan na intensity pero hindi siya long. Pero okay lang. Nakasabay lahat.
Adik ko eh.